side, do you guys have identity theft protection?
I'm sorry, did you say identity distribution?
No, protection. Identity theft protection.
You have selected identity distribution. Your identity will now be shared with everyone. Thank you.
No.
Not all credit report sites are equal.
We're good in here, Howie. Yeah, have a good night, brother.
Experian.com members get personalized help plus identity theft protection. Join now at Experian.com with enrollment in Experian Credit Tracker.
When you get a Maytag washer, you best settle in for the most dependable relationship of your life. So bring on your smelly things, your dirty things, not your electronic things, you're welcome. But most definitely, your delicate things. Because with Maytag, all kinds of things can get the best cleaning in the industry.
Maytag has savings handled. Get deals worth holding on to through September 30th.